Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover and today I'm back with a video that is not going to be a nail art video. I am going to be unboxing a Love Yourself Tear album. I just got it today at a physical store and I also got the poster. Okay, so this is roughly the whole poster. I can't really show you guys more because there's like not much space. But yeah, that's the poster. It's really cute. As you can see, I did get version R, the cute denim version. Yeah, it's really cute and I like it very much. So here's the album that I have and it says Love Yourself, it says Tear, and then it says R on the binding and it also says Love Yourself and their BTS logo. I'm just gonna take the same needle thing that I was using to open my Answer albums. Okay, thanks. Okay, so let's take this out. I am so excited actually to see the album because I haven't actually really watched videos. I know it's been a while, but I haven't really watched anything. Yeah, I really don't know why I haven't watched anything. Okay, so the notes are here. I didn't know that it was white to gray, but these are the R notes, and yes. So that, then the CD is here. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and see if I can find the photo. Okay, the photo card is here. I'm going to take it out, okay, and put it off to the side. I'm not going to look at who I got. I'm just going to look at the photo book for now. Well, let's look at the lyrics part first because I know it's not that interesting. Okay, let's not look at those. Okay, here's the lyric part of the book. Singularity, fake love, the truth untold, 전하지 못한 진심, 134340, which is Pluto, 낙원, which is paradise, and Love Maze, Magic Shop, Airplane Part 2, 안파만, So What, and outro Tear. So Singularity, which has like literally the shortest lyrics ever, because it's very slow, you know. Fake love, you know, the song was really slow too, but like Singularity kind of is so short. I don't think I ever noticed that there were only this few lyrics. From Tear, my favorite songs are, like when I first listened to it, like Paradise and I think Paradise. I really like Fake Love, obviously. Magic Shop I really love from this album, but I didn't immediately like. Airplane Part 2, 안파만, So What. The concert really made me like 안파만 a lot more. I'm not saying I didn't like 안파만 before, like I just know it was like cute and all, but like, I don't know, seeing them perform it is very different from just listening to it. It definitely is more of like a performance song in my opinion. And then there's Tear, and the thanks to Suga is first. And then there's RM's. Then we have Jungkook's, which is super long. And then we have Jimin, and those are really long. Hold up. Then we have J-Hope, Jin's, and V's. And V's is really short. That's interesting. Okay, so. Oh, the little standing thing is here. Oh my god, it's so cute. I actually don't know how this works. My two biases in the front. I love both of them equally. I love all of them, okay, so let's look at the photo book now. Here's RM. He's looking very fine. Yes. Oh. He looks so sad in this photo. He looks like he cried a bunch. Then we have Jin. I really like this photo of Jin. I'm not gonna lie. I really like this photo of Jin. Oh, so handsome. I'm dying. Okay. Oh my god. I love this photo of Jin. I really like it. Oh my god. I can see his underwear. It's almost like endorsing Calvin Klein. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. I want to say cute, but I know I want to say like hot or handsome, but yeah. This is so cute. Okay. Then we have J-Hope. Oh, I really like this one. I don't know, it's just like the confidence. Yes. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I love this photo. I love all the photos. There's not a photo I don't like in this album. I am pretty sure for this concept, there's not going to be any photo that I don't like. He looks so sad in this one though. Oh my god, is he actually tearing up? He looks so sad. He's actually tearing up. I can see like the reflection of the tears. Okay. Here's Suga. Here's V. And then Jin and RM together. Yes. Oh, close up. Oh my god. Yes. The side profile. Yes. So that's Jimin and Suga. It's close up. Then the three J-Hope, Jungkook, and V. Oh, whoopsies. And then here's the poster again. Definitely shows up a lot better in the book than how I showed it just now. Oh! And this is like the close-up version. It's quite interesting. Okay, I'm going to review who I got. I'm really excited. Oh my god, who is it gonna be, guys? This is my membership card thingy for the survey. Oh my god, I got a Jungkook photo card! What is this? Oh my goodness. I got my bias. I am dying. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, I can't believe I got Jungkook. Oh my god. I pulled another Jungkook from another Answer album that I bought, and oh my god, I can't believe I got a Jungkook for this. I'm so happy right now. So that was this video. If you enjoyed watching this BTS Love Yourself tier version R unboxing video, then make sure to give this video a like. That's it for this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you all next time. Bye everyone!